Hello everyone, this is Lady T with Design to a T. Welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping in. Today I am working on my master bedroom renovation series, and I am going to start with the nightstands of my bedroom set. So here we are, guys, and these are the nightstands that we are going to be working on today. They happen to be a part of a bedroom set, and but today we're just going to be working on the nightstands. Okay, as you can see, this is a oak wood dresser. A nightstand, and we are going to paint this and but first, I want to show you here where the top part started to peel. And so we're going to be working on that first. But I just wanted to give you an idea of the type of furniture that we're going to be working with. They don't make nightstands like this anymore. And if they do, they are very expensive. Trust me, we have already gone out to check and see what we could find. We thought about buying furniture first, but after doing our research, we decided to keep them and paint them. And so we're going to be working on these nightstands on today. And I must apologize in advance because some of the footage that I thought I had, I don't have. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I try to explain everything in detail as much as possible. So again, I apologize, but I tell you, watch it till the end and you will be pleased. So guys, here, as you can tell, we are sanding off the top area of the nightstand, smoothing out those rough edges and making sure that there's no, lumps and bumps as we're painting. And my husband is sanding it off with fine grit paper. I'm not sure what it is, but I can put that down in the description box when I upload the video. I'm thanking the Lord for my husband because he helps me with all of these projects. And so after that, we clean it up with a Microsoft cloth, and we're filling in these areas with wood filler. I'm not sure what the product brand is, but I will have that listed also below in the description box. And we're going to let that dry overnight and sand it once again so that it is smooth, and then we are ready for painting. You guys, please forgive me for the lighting in this segment of the video. Don't know what happened here, but I'm hoping that you're able to see what he's doing here on the nightstand. So guys, after sanding, smoothing, and cleaning off the top part of the nightstand, we were ready and prepared to paint. And so my husband is painting the sides now with a small roller, and he actually uses a brush also to get into the crevices of this dresser because it's so detailed and ornate that we needed to have two different types of painting products. So We're using both a paintbrush as well as a small roller. And this is what it looks like after the first coat. So after the first coat, we found that we needed to sand the top once again and smooth it out. And it seems as though we needed to do that with every, in between every coat of paint, so that the top part of the nightstand would be smooth. So guys, as you can see, we painted the trim with a slighter darker gray color, and I love the contrast. It was beautiful when we did it alone and we had it standing by itself. But however, when we put it with our bedroom set, I just felt like it did not complement the bedroom set the way that I thought that it would. So we decided to spray paint it a different color. After all of that, we decided to do a totally different color, and here is the color. It is a satin silver, and we spray painted everything, and it turned out beautifully. As you can tell, we also added a mirror top to it. We went to a local glass shop, and they cut the mirrors for us, and they did a beautiful job. And as I said before, we spray painted everything, even the doorknobs as well, and it all turned out beautifully. So guys, thanks so much for stopping in. I hope that you have been inspired to restore or to renovate some type of furniture that you may already have. It is so much less expensive. Have a great day, everyone.